Hey, Truman, you want to go outside? Try your aviary for the first time, yeah. Let's see if you're waiting. For your weight? What happened with your weight? Check out your new aviary, yeah. Oh no, he's gonna climb in it. Truman, don't climb. Come on, you're gonna hurt your good buddy, don't climb. Alright, hey Kili, check out your new aviary. Look at that. Yeah. Truman, you're in your new aviary. Look at that. That's cool. You spent a lot of time in here. Here's Truman. I put him inside of another cage so that he wouldn't fly around the aviary for now. But I wanted to get him outside so he can get some fresh air. He's a lot safer being in another cage, but I wouldn't leave him in this cage outside without an aviary. Someone could grab the cage or wind knock it over, or maybe a cat grab it. So I feel safe with him being in this small cage inside the bigger aviary. Hello. Let's take a flight. Take a flight. Ah. Fly. Ow. Ow. Fly. Fly. Hello. Hello. Good bird.